Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready student? Everyone stand. Jump. Stop. 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 Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Okay, children. Sit in a place. Yeah, children, last previous class what you learned? How to convert centimeter to meters, meter to centimeter, again kilometer to meter you learned. Yes or no? Now, conversion of standard unit of weight. Chapter number 11, measurement. Exercise 11.2 now. Okay. What is that? The weight of an object is the measure of its heaviness. Understood? Different objects have different weight. We use standard unit of measure the weight of object around us. Okay. The standard unit of weight is called kilogram. We write as a kg. Understood? Kilogram we will write as a kg. Another unit of weight is gram. We write as a grams g. Understood? The unit of weight smaller than gram we call milligram. What we call? Milligram. Write in the classwork. The standard kilograms. Okay, kilogram. We write kilogram as kg. Understood? Next. Another unit of weight is called, second one, another unit of it is called gram. Understood? We write gram as g. Understood? Next, third one. The unit of weight smaller than the gram is milligram. Understood, children? We write milligram as mg. Write fast, children. For example, children, I will show you some items. Okay. Children, see these examples. See, this is Pond's cold cream. See, 6 gram. What is this? 6 gram this is. Okay. I will show you weight. See children, weight of this Pond's 6 grams. See, weight of this Iodex 40 grams. Yes, 40 grams. Weight of this, see, 50 grams. Yes, these are grams. See, these also tablets. Weight of these tablets, weight is mg. Yeah, see, 650 mg. Weight of these tablets, 650 mg. Mg means what? Milligrams. Grams mean grams. Smaller than gram is milligram. Yes, this is all we will compare. See, tablets, everything we will say in milligrams. Okay. See, this type of items we will say grams. See, powder, 100 grams. Yes. After that, this amla powder. See, 100 grams. Yes. Next, tomato ketchup. See, 950 grams. 950 grams is less than kg. Yes or no? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Yes or no, children? This is 950 grams. See here. Tide. Here, 1 kg. This is 1 kg. Kg is greater than grams. Understood, children? Milligram is less than gram. Gram is less than kg. Understood, children? These all, see, again we will use kgs while we buy fruits, vegetables. Yes or no, children? Children, did you understood? Kgs is greater than 2 grams. Understood? Milligram is lesser than 2 gram. See, read this. The standard unit of weight is kilogram. We write kilogram as kg. Okay. Next, another unit of weight is gram. We write as grams as g. Understood? The unit of weight smaller than the gram is milligram. We write milligram as mg. Understood, children? Write in the classwork. See, listen. Grams is used for weighting objects such as pencil, books and spices. Understood, children? Spices, pencils, book, these all you will use as a gram. See, milligrams. Well, we will use milligrams, medicines, tablets, so on. Understood? Again, kilograms. We will use kilogram when we will buy fruits, vegetables, cereals, rice, wheat, flour, salt, everything, sugar, we will use as a kilograms. Yes or no, children? Now convert milligram to grams, gram to milligram, otherwise gram to kg, kg to grams. You should convert. Okay. See, relation between unit of weights. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. I told you, yes, half kg is equal to 50 grams. Yes, 1/4 kg is equal to 250 grams. Understood, children? You should know this. See, 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. Mg means what? Milligram. Milligram is smaller than gram. Understood? Where we'll use tablets, medicines. We will see on the medicines and tablets mg. Understood? Kgs. Kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Understood? Half kg is equal to 500 grams. 1/4 kg is equal to 250 grams. Understood, children? When you are going, we see, listen carefully. We will go for vegetables, buy vegetables. We will ask 1 kg or half kg veg. Yes or no? Half kg tomato give me, 1 kg potato. Like that we will ask or not? Half kg means what? 500 grams. Understood? Mirchi. We will buy 1/4 kg mirchi. We will say in Telugu pav. Yes or no? That is 250 grams. Understood, children? Next. Listen. Converting. See, kgs into grams. First of all, you should know this. 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Like that you should know. If you know that, you can convert easily. Understood, children? Example 7. Okay. See, textbook. Watch your textbook and do this. Okay. What is that? 4 kg to grams. You should convert this 4 kgs to grams. This kgs you should convert into grams. We know. Already we know. What is that we know? What we know? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Yes or no? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, you know. That's why 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Four kg is equal to 4 into 1000. Okay. Now 4000 grams. 4 kg is equal to 4000 grams. Understood, children? Understood? Next, B1. What is that? 3 kg, 150 grams. You should convert into grams. See, already you know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. As 3 kgs 150 grams is equal to 3 into 1000 plus 150 gram. Yes or no? Now 3000 plus 150 gram. What is it? See, 3150 addition 0, 5, 1, 3. 3150 grams. 3 kgs 150 grams. What is it? 3150 grams. Understood, children? Write in the classwork, ma. These all you should write in the classwork. Next, solve this is there na here. That one do it. I will do on the board. You should write. Next, what is that? 6 kg 2 grams. 6 kg 2 gram you should convert. Okay, do it, children. Do yourself. You should do that. Try. I will do on the board, okay? 6 kg. You should convert into grams. kg. Grams. 6 kg, what you have to do? Should convert into grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. As 6 kg is equal to 6 into 1000 grams. Okay. 6000 grams. 6 kg is equal to 6000 grams. Understood, children? First you should write like this. 6 kg is equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Should write this first. Okay. After that you should do this. 6 kg is equal to, so 6 kg is equal to 6 into 1000 grams. 6 kg is equal to 6000 grams. Next D1. 4 kg 20 grams. 2 into grams you should convert. As now 1 kg is equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. You know now? So 4 kg to 20 grams is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 20 grams. Okay. Now 4000 plus 20 grams. Now what you have to do? 4000 plus 20. 4020 grams. 4020 grams. See, 4 kg 20 grams is equal to 4020 grams. Understood? Do it. Do it in the textbook, ma, this one. Okay? Ma, you should do workbook page number to 11.2, ma. 11.2 is there, na? Recall and remembering understanding is there, na? That one you should do. Your page number is different, is it? My page number is different, is it? That's why I am saying 11.2 recall and remembering part you should do in the workbook. That is your homework. Understood? Tomorrow I will check. Is it right or wrong?